welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what keyword is required to make an interface a child of another interface in Java? The answer is extends keyword. In Java, if you want to make an interface a child of another interface, we have to use extends keyword. Let me practically demonstrate this one for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. I'm going to create a new interface. I'm just going to name this interface as interface X, some random name. And inside this interface, I'm going to create a sample variable and method. Let's say int a is equal to 10. And here public void sample X like this. Some sample variable and method I created inside an interface. Okay. Now I'm going to create another interface. Okay. So I'll just name this as some random name. Let's say interface Y. And now we have two interfaces. One is interface X and other one is interface Y. Now what I want to do is I want to make this interface Y a child of this interface X. So here after the interface Y, which keyword I have to use? Do I have to use extends keyword or implements keyword? That's how the confusion begins, right? So if you want to make an interface in Java a child of another interface, we have to use extends keyword in Java. Interface Y extends interface X. You see, error got resolved. But in place of extends, if you try to use implements, you are going to get a compiler error saying extends is expected. Here, you should not be writing implements. Extends is expected. So in what cases? So in what cases we have to use implements? I'll tell you. So if you want to make an interface a child of another interface, then we have to use extends keyword. Okay. If you want to make a class, a child class of another class. Okay. If you want to make a class, a child of another class, here also we have to use extends keyword. But third case is if you want to make a class, a child of an interface. This third scenario is different, guys. Here interface becoming a child of another interface, extends keyword. Class becoming a child of another class, extends keyword. But if you want to make a class, a child of an interface, class to interface, that connection. Okay. In that case, we have to use implements keyword, guys. Okay. This is the only case where we use implements keyword, guys. A class becoming a child of an interface, then we have to use implements keyword. Okay. So interface extends, class extends, class interface implements. Okay. So in this question, for this question, what keyword is required to make an interface a child of another interface in Java? That is nothing but the extends keyword, guys. Okay. We have to use extends keyword with practical demonstration. I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.